Okay, and so hey YouTube, it's Darkbyte here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys something called enumeration. Alright, so enumeration is basically assigning a value to something, and how you do enumeration is you can declare enums inside a class, or you can declare enums outside of a class and make a separate file. So for that, we're going to actually create a new enum file. So actually, it wouldn't be a class; it would be. So if you click new, there should be an enum here. So we're going to go into Enum, and what we're going to do is we're going to just go and we're going to name this Enum cats, because you know cats are awesome. You can never go wrong with cats. Alright, so what's an Enum and how are we going to make one? Alright, so generally when you're making an Enum, you're meant to keep it capitalized, so all the stuff. So I don't know why you're at Bucky. I guess it's because that's the guy that I learned Java from. So yeah. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some enums, and I'm going to call this cat Lollipop. And as you can see now, it's coming up with this. So how are we going to do this now? Alright, so Lollipop. And I'm going to create another cat called Peanut Butter. Peanut Butter. Then I'm going to create... We'll use the parameters in a second, and I'll show you guys how we're going to use them. But for now, we're going to leave this. So finally, we got a tutorial that isn't short, but next one's going to be short as well, because we're going to look at something else that's quite short. Alright, so after that, what else can we do? Alright, so we've made Lollipop, Peanut Butter. So let's make Jam. And then let's make Jelly. And then let's make, I think that's about all the cats we need. Alright, so what are we going to do now? Alright, so inside an enum, we can do other things like create methods. So if we want to, we could create a public void, and we could just call this do something for some reason. I don't know why we want to do this, but we can do it if we wanted to. We're not going to use that for now. Okay, so sorry about that, I just got distracted, but where were we? Alright, so we were creating these enums with the parameters. Alright, so here we go. We named these after food because everyone likes to eat cats. Wait, what? Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to create an enum constructor. So what's this? So an enum, I'm going to tell you, is basically just like an enumeration. So you can store values inside this small variable, multiple values. So what we're going to do, so it's kind of like an array but different. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to call the enum's name, and then we can put in parameters, just like when we're creating a constructor. So how are we going to do this? First we're going to put in string name. And as you can see now, we're coming up with errors because we haven't got this constructor done yet. So actually, we're going to put this constructor at the top. Ah, yes, you need to put it after you declare your... Ah, yes, I forgot. Yes, it's simple error. Alright, so now we got string name. Actually, we're going to have int age, string birthday, because we want to know when these guys' birthday are, so we can celebrate it with them. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make Lollipop 13. Now we're going to make it 1, because it's going to be a kitten. And we're going to put its birthday to the 5th of November, because it likes fireworks. And I like fireworks, so... Alright, so Peanut Butter, we're going to set his birthday to... we're going to set him as 3, because he's going to be a bit of an older cat. And then we're going to make him, we're going to make his birthday on the 17th of July. Because this guy, he likes July, but he's not very patriotic. Plus, I'm not from the US, so yeah. Alright, so 2, and we're going to set this to peanut butter jelly time. No, we're not. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to set this to the 24th of April, because that's my birthday, and this guy is obviously awesome because I like jam. Alright, so then we're going to make this guy 6, so he's going to be the old cat, jelly, and we're going to make his birthday on the 9th of November. Alright, so each of these is storing the values now. So what we're going to do is we're going to create some strings and stuff. So we're going to create private final string, which means that it can't be accessed from anywhere else. Private final string, and we're going to make a string, and we're going to call this string No, we're gonna make an int first to store the age. So int age, and then private final string birthday. There we go. So there we go. We're gonna go this dot age is equal to age. And you're gonna go this dot birthday is equal to birthday. There we go. Alright, so that took away the errors. Alright, so we did assign them. So now what we can do is we're gonna make some getter and setter method. No, we're gonna make some getter methods, since final, which I forgot to explain to you, is basically a constant keyword, which means that this can't be edited. Alright, so we have to go into the class and edit it. So here we go. So we're gonna make public int get age, and then that's gonna be return age, and then public string get name. No, get birthday. Get birthday. Get b-day, we're just gonna call it, because that's a bit easier than writing birthday. Alright, so turn birthday. So how are we going to access from each of these? Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to create cats is equal to new cats. Now why isn't this working? We created it just like a class. Exactly, but it's not a class, it's an enum. So how do we access the enum then? Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go sysout, and we're going to go lollipop. So we're going to access the lollipop class. We're going to access lollipop, and then we're going to add in his stuff. So we're going to go cats dot, and as you can see it comes out with a load of stuff like jam. So if we call it jam, then we go dot, and then we get all this stuff like get age and got b-day. So we don't want to get jam, we want to get lollipop, so lollipop. So as you can see, each of these is a different kind of almost class. So we can access each of these variables and stuff for the separate class. So if we run this now, lollipop is 1. Lollipops, so let's just put lollipops age, and then we're going to put, actually let's run through this using a for loop. So for cats c, so this is, we can use the for each loop to run through many stuff. So now if we go cat dot and then values, so that's a array of cats. So that's just going to go through each of the cats. And then we're going to go sys out, then we're going to go c, so that's going to print out the cat's name, and then we're going to go age, and then we're going to go and put in c dot get age. So here we go, we're accessing the name of it by putting in the enum, so it's going to print out either lollipop, peanut butter, jam, or jelly, depending on which part it's on. And then it's going to put in, we're going to concatenate plus age, and then we're going to go c.getAge. So we're going to get the age for that specific cat, and then we're going to print out its birthday too. So we're going to go c dot plus is birthday, and then we're going to go plus c dot get b-day, because that's what we created the variable getter as. So here we go, if we run this now, it's going to go through each of them. Lollipop's age, 1, birthday, November, peanut butter's age, 3, peanut butter's birthday, 17th of July, jam's age, 2, jam's birthday, 24th of April, jelly's age, 6, jelly's birthday. So say it looks a bit odd because it's all in caps, we could add in a string variable, but we're not going to. So I think that's about all for this episode, and I will see you guys next time.